Hey everyone, welcome back to Cosmos Airdrop. Today we're going to talk about the ARI wallet airdrop and the daily quiz. Now, if you are interested in cryptocurrency and technology, this video is for you. So we're going to cover everything you need to know to participate in this airdrop and how you're going to earn the ARI tokens. So the first step is to download this ARI wallet app from the App Store or Play Store. So the second is to create an account and complete the verification. Then we're going to engage with the community by following the official media channel and participate in the discussion. Now the other, which is the first task, is to complete the required taxes such as their daily check-ins, their daily quiz participation and referral codes. Now the last part of it is to claim your token directly through your wallet interface. Now this is what we're going to discuss in this video. So if this is your first time coming through my channel, I would like you to go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell to stay alerted whenever I post a new video, and don't forget to like and share this video that you're watching right now. Now let's proceed to what we have today. Okay, we just got the code right here on our email. The code is 165040. Okay. So we have to first of all complete our daily check-in. We are done with registration, so the next is complete daily check-in and end our ARI token. So I just earned 30 points. We just earned 30 points right here. Complete the second process, which is to create an account and complete the verification process. The third is to engage with the community through their social media handle and participate in their discussion. So we're going to look for their Twitter. So they're on Twitter. Don't forget, you can also earn more points by following the social medias right here. I just earned 330 ARG and I'm still earning more tokens. So for this daily quiz, the AR wallet daily quiz is an engaging feature that allows users to earn AR coin by answering the questions that relate to the platform and the blockchain technology. Once you answer this question correctly, you're going to be earning 30 ARI coin every single day. So I just answered to this question wrong, so I missed my coin. So I won't do that to miss any coin tomorrow. What you're going to do is to join us on our Telegram group. We'll be posting the answers of every coin each day. So that is it for today's video about the AI airdrop. But before I end this video, I told you guys that you can actually send and receive this coin. So if you wanted to send this coin to someone, you can do that because people are already going and buying and selling out this token right here. So you can actually go and click on receive and copy this. You can send it to the person's address so that the person can wire the AI token to you like we usually do in our normal transfer. So you can actually send your coin also by inputting the address right here and completing the necessary procedure. So that is it for today. We hope you find this information helpful and informative. If you are interested in participating in this airdrop, make sure that you follow the steps throughout this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more crypto content. Thanks for watching Cosmos Airdrop. If you have any question or comments, you can feel free to leave them below. We will see you in the next video. I begin to